One who has been accepted into the charmed circle at the top is the Canadian pianist Glenn Gould.
He sat low, he hummed, he broke every performance rule in the book. And yet Glenn Gould revealed something most people missed, that music has a meaning, and this meaning doesn't live just in the notes, but in the relationship between them. What Glenn Gould showed in how he played, how he listened, and how he spoke about music is that meaning is not in the material, it is not in the sounds, but it is in the movement. Let's take a simple example. A single note means absolutely nothing, but two notes placed in time with a gesture, with a pose, create expectation. They create some direction. That's what Glenn Gould made audible. He didn't play to be just expressive for no reason. He played to reveal the logic behind each sound. And then repeated these passages over and over again. Once you understand that meaning is movement, you will start hearing music differently. Thank you for watching. Keep practicing, keep finding meaning in those notes, or in the relationship between the notes. Bye.